Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what is considered the best rolling laptop case for women, the Arcoyard rolling laptop bag. If you're looking for a stylish, functional, and durable rolling briefcase that can keep up with your busy work and travel lifestyle, this might just be the perfect fit for you. The Arcoyard rolling laptop bag is designed with the modern professional woman in mind. Its sleek and elegant beige-brown color, combined with premium materials like 900D high-density polyester and PU leather handles, gives it a classy yet durable look. Whether you're heading to the office, a business trip, or a weekend getaway, this bag offers a balance of style and practicality. One of the standout features is its durable aluminum telescopic handle that extends smoothly with the press of a button and locks firmly in place. Paired with two silent, wear-resistant rubber wheels, this bag glides effortlessly across different surfaces, making travel a breeze. Say goodbye to shoulder or hand strain, because this rolling laptop bag takes care of the heavy lifting for you. In terms of protection, the Arcoyard bag doesn't disappoint. It includes a padded laptop compartment that fits laptops up to 18 inches, ensuring your device is snug and safe. The bag's bottom and sides are reinforced with a 5mm waterproof coated polyester layer to protect against scratches, bumps, and even unexpected spills. Plus, there are built-in waterproof pockets ideal for valuables or even storing wet clothes, adding an extra layer of convenience. Travelers will appreciate the TSA-friendly design. The briefcase opens fully to 180 degrees, allowing for quick and hassle-free security checks at airports. Inside, you'll find well-organized compartments including elastic bands with buckles to secure 2 to 3 days worth of clothing, a dedicated laptop pocket, and spaces for pens, documents, and binders. The 28-liter capacity strikes the right balance between roomy and compact, perfect for short trips and everyday commuting. This bag is designed to fit comfortably under an airplane seat, making it an excellent choice for carry-on luggage. Despite its spacious interior and durable build, it remains lightweight at just 5 pounds, so you won't feel weighed down as you navigate through airports or city streets. Whether you need it for work, travel, or both, the Arcoyard rolling laptop bag offers versatility and sophistication. It's a practical investment for women who want to combine elegance with functionality in their professional gear. And with lifetime after-sale service from the brand, you can feel confident that your bag will be supported long after your purchase. That's a wrap on the Arcoyard rolling laptop bag, the best rolling laptop case for women who demand style, protection, and ease of mobility. If you found this review helpful, be sure to subscribe to Product Critique for more honest product insights. Thanks for watching.